ahead.
यथा ऋषिकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदाटी चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहत्मजा विभो त्वयैव नातेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात् विशान्महाग्ने पुरुषार्थदर्शनात् असत्सभाय वनवासकृच्छता मृदे मृदे अनेकमहर्त्रास्ततो योन्यसच्च स्म हरेर्विरक्षिताः विपदः सन्तु तस्यस्वात् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपूर्णर्भवदर्शनं जन्मैश्वर्यशुद्ध श्रीभिर् एदमानमदः पुमान् नैव अभिधातुं वै त्वं किञ्चन गोचरम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice, Akshita. I will, if you have any confusion, you can ask and then I can open the sloka, okay? Anybody want to try?
Mataji, Sai.
Yeah, Janavi and then Sai, okay? I heard Janavi. I think she's in mute. Okay, the Asra, you can unmute and then Sai, you can go ahead.
यथा ऋषिकेश कालेन देवकी कंसेन रुदाटी चिरं सुचुत्पिता विमोचितः समाधिभूतायेन मुहुर्विद्यागणात्
Visan Mahagne
पुरुषादर्शना यस्य वायो वनमान्तकित्सतः विद्येकमहयतसतो दोन्यदतस्तस्मा हरिविरक्षिता.
Next one, Vipasantuta Saswat.
Vipasantuta Saswat Tata Tata Jagaguru Saskalane Mahata
Babato
Darsana Yatya Avana Vavadarsana
Janmaiswarya.
Janmaya Surya Sutasrivi Yejana Avadasana
Naivar Hatya Avidhatum Vai
Adana Avidatam Vai
Akinsana Gochara.
Gochara.
Thank you, Janavi. Anybody want to try?
Mataji, can I try Rudram again?
Yeah, Sai. Sai, and who is this?
Advait.
Yeah, Advait. Yeah, Advait, you did before, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. If others, we'll give chance to others first. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Sai. Go ahead.
Mataji, can you put the slides while I read it?
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन नरुदाति शिशिरं सुशापिता विमोचितं च सहत्मजा विभो त्वयैव नते मुहुर्विपद्गणात् विशान्महागेन पुरुषादर्शनात् असत्सभया वनवासकृच्छयत् मृदे मृदे अनेकमहारस्तत्रो दोन्यास्त्रत्समया हरेर्विरक्षिता विपत्सान्ततः सस्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपूर्णर्भवदर्शनम् जन्मैश्वर्यश्रुताशीर्भिर् एदमानमदापुमान् नैवर्हत्याभिधातुं वै त्वमकिञ्चन गोचरम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Sai. Anybody want to try?
Me, Monish.
Yes, Monish. Go ahead, Monish.
जन्मैश्वर्या श्रुता श्रीवि एदमादामदापुमान् नैवर्हत्यामातु वै तामकिञ्चन गोचरम्.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Ashutosh. Can I say the verse?
Yes.
ऋषिकेश कालेन
Sorry,
देवकी कंसेन हृदिचिरम् कृतार्पिता विमोचितां च मार्गो तमेव नातेन विभागनान्.
Mataji, next slide.
I did Mataji. It didn't come.
Next slide, Mataji.
Next, Bipat. Okay, Bipat.
Vipita Santita.
विपदा शान्तता तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यस्य अपुनर्भवदर्शनम्. जन्मैश्वर्या श्रुता श्रीभिः एदमादामदापुमान् नैवर्हत्याभिहातु वै तामकिञ्चन गोचरम्.
Okay, thank you, Manish. Asutosh, go ahead.
Okay. I'm just gonna say this week's verse.
Okay, only this week verse. Okay.
Janmeshware Shriti Shribhar Edamana Madapun Puman Naivihati Abhihatum Vai Tvam Akinchana Gocharam. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Asutosh. Anybody want to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I say the verse?
Yes, Krishna, go ahead.
Janmaishwarya Shruta Shibhir Edamana Madapuman Naivarhati Abhitatum Vai Tvam Akina Gocharam.
Krishna, do you want to read the translation also?
Yeah. I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we no longer see repeated births and deaths.
Thank you, Krishna. Anybody want to try?
Can I?
Vrinda.
Yes, Krishna.
Yata Rishikesh.
ऋषिकेश कलेव देवकी कंसेन नरुनारिचिरं जुचार्विता विमोदिताहं सत् मजाविवो तयेव नादेन विपुर्विपद्गणात् पितान् महान् मे पुरुषादर्शनात् अलत्सवायः वनवासकृच्छितः हृदे अनेकमः तास्मतो द्रोणीयः सदस्तस् हरे विरक्षिता विपत्सन्तु
Saswata.
तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शन यच्छात्या अपुनर्भव दर्शनम्. जन्मैश्वर्या श्रुता श्रीभि वेरमान
Madhan Purana.
नैवाहत्या अभिधातुं वै त्वामकिञ्चन गोचरम्.
Thank you, Vrinda.
Too cheap.
Thank you, Vrinda. Who is this? Next. Can you go to the next sloka? Today's sloka. Anybody want to try?
Me.
Who is this?
Gayatri.
Yes, Karthik. Go ahead, Karthik.
ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदाति शिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहत्माचको त्वयैव नादेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात् ईशान् महाग्ने पुरुषाद दर्शनात् असत्सभाय वनवासकृच्छतः हृदे नेकमहारदास्ततो त्रोण्यास्तताश्चास्महरे विरक्षिता विपदः साधुता शाश्वत तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनं यस्यात् अपुनर्भव दर्शनम्. जन्मैश्वर्य श्रुता श्रीभिर् एदमानामुनाम्. Can you show the lyrics? Thing? 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 Can you show the lyrics? Th Thank you. Mataji, can I see? Mataji, you're mute.
Yes, go ahead. Who is this, Prahlad?
Yes.
Yes, Prahlad.
Yatha Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamsen Ruddhati Chiram Sucharpita Vimochita Hamcha Sahatmaja Vibo Banate Namuhud Vipadganat Ishan Mahagne Purushad Darshanal Aha Asat Savara Vanavasa Krishataha Mride Mridene Kamaharatasrato Draunyastatascha Hare Vrikshaka Vipadasant. Oh, I don't know.
Okay, see this.
Janmaishwarya Shuta Shri Vi Edamana Mada Pumar Naivarhatya Batumbai Twama Kinchana Gocharam.
I think.
Mataji, you're mute.
Yeah, 1 second. Udit, I think he raised the hand. Do you want to say? Okay, Asra, do you want to recite the sloga?
Okay, Mataji. यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन रुदाति चिरं सुचर्पिता विमोचिताहंश्च सत्माजविव त्वयैव नातेन मुहुर्विपत्कनात्. What's the next one, Mataji?
Visan Mahagni.
विषन्महाग्ने पुरुषाददर्शनात् असत्सवाय वनवासकृच्छता मृदे मृदेनेकमहरात्रशातो द्रोणीशतश्च स्म हरे विरक्षता विपदा सन्ततः सस्व तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शनं यत्सदा पुनर्भवदर्शनम् जन्मैश्वर्यश्रुताशुभिरेदमानमुदा पुमान् नैवरत्याविधा तं वै त्वमकिञ्चन गोचरम्.
Thank you, Asra. Asra, do you want to read the translation of this 4 sloka and then we can go to our session?
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, Udit also raised hand.
Yeah, Udit, I think I saw him. Do you want to do the sloka, Udit? Yes, go ahead. How old are you, Udit?
14.
You joined today is the first time? Yes. Okay, you can do from here. Yeah, from this sloka and then you can read the translation also.
Yata Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Kamasena Rudhatikaram
Rudati chiram sucharpita
Rudhatichiram Sukarpitaha
Vimochitaham sa sahatmaja vivo
Vimochitam cha Sahatmaja Vivo
Toyaiva natena muhur vipatganat.
Tvavya Natena Muhur Vipadkanat.
Do you want to read the translation?
No.
Go ahead.
O Rishikesha, master of the senses and lord of lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious king Kamsa, and me and my children from a series of constant dangers.
Okay, Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darshanad. Bisan Mahagne Purusada Darshanad.
San Managne Purusada Darshanad.
असत सभाया वनवास कृच्छ्रतः
Asat sabaya vanavasa krishtataha.
मृदे मृदेनेका महारथास्रतो
Mride mride neka maharatastrato.
द्रोण्यास्त्रता चास्मा हरिविरक्षितः
Dranyastras chasma hare virakshataha.
हरिविरक्षितः. Okay, go ahead. Meaning you can read.
Okay. My dear Krishna, your lordship has protected us from a poisoned cake, from a great fire, and from cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from suffering during our exile in the forest, and from the battle where great generals fought. And now you have saved us from the weapon of Avastama.
Asasthama.
Avastama.
विपसन्तु ता स्वस्वात्
Vipada santu tas saswat
तत्र जगद्गुरो
tatra jagadguru.
भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात्
Bhavato darshanam yat syad
अपुनर्भवदर्शनम्.
apunar bhava darshanam.
This is a translation. You can read.
I wish that all these calamities would happen again and again so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths.
Okay, thank you. Next, this is the last sloka we did last week. Janmaishwarya Sruta Srivir
Janmai Sharva Shruta Shri Bir
Edamana Madhapuman
Edamana Madhapuman
Naivarhatya Vidhatum Vai
Naivardhati Abhidartum Vai
Tomakinchana Gocharam.
Svamakinchana Gogarchanam.
Gocharam. Yeah, you can read the translation.
I wish that all these calamities you would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths.
This prayer is Kunti Devi is praying to Krishna in this sloka. We will go to the next sloka today. Srimad Bhagavatam 1:8-27. I'll read the translation first and we'll do the one moral story connected to this translation and we'll learn the sloka, okay? You can all repeat after me. My obeisances are unto you.
My obeisances are unto you. Unto you.
Who are the property of the materially
Who are the property of the material
impoverished.
impoverished.
You have nothing to do with the
You have nothing to do with the
actions and reactions
actions and reactions
of the material modes of nature.
of the material modes of nature.
You are self-satisfied
You are self-satisfied,
and therefore you are the most gentle
and therefore you are the most gentle
and are master of the monad.
and master of the monist.
The translation and before slokas. Here Kunti Maharani is praying to Krishna because Krishna is actually leaving from Hastinapur to Dwaraka, and that time she is praying. She is thinking, Krishna, you are leaving now because you helped us when we were in danger, yes? And now when we had a danger, we used to call your name and you used to come and help us. Now you are going. I wish in next word, Vipada Santuta Saswat. In that verse, he was praying to Krishna. I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again so that we could see you and again and again. And she is praying like that. And next sloka, she was telling who Janmaishwarya, what we did last week. Mm, yeah, this meaning is I didn't put. Anyway, then in Janmaishwari we have a birth in the very good family. We have the who is very good in education. This person they cannot call Krishna by their heart, sincere heart. And because we are already we have already material opulences, beauties, our position. They cannot call Krishna by the sincere heart. That was Kunti Maharani is telling. That's why he in this sloka, my obeisances are unto you who are the property. The devotee who do not have any material things, no beauty, no position, no money, they can actually pray to Krishna and Krishna can reside in their heart. We don't need anything to pray to Krishna. That is, and then he was also telling here to Krishna, you have nothing to do with this, with the action and reaction of the material modes of nature, because all these things come through this material nature. People are thinking I'm rich, I'm beauty, everything, I'm so beautiful, everything. That kind of mentality comes because of this action and reaction of the modes of material nature. And then you have nothing to do with that. You are self-satisfied, Krishna. Kunti Maharani is telling. And then she is praying to Krishna. The who can pray to Krishna, who are already in the pure transcendental stage, means who are already muni, who are already they are transcendentalist only, they can pray to Krishna. We can do one small story. This is a one second. This is a one moral story regarding this. I'll just open. Yeah. Okay. I will share new. Yeah. There is a one story, a poor Brahmana. Okay. We can go to this story and then we can read the sloka. The poor Brahmana. It's not coming very nicely.
Mataji, is there a way you can make it bigger?
Yeah, one second, I'll try, okay?
Okay.
Maybe I will increase my, can you see now?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. 300 years ago, there lived a very stones. This next look also, maybe next line also same. Yeah, 300 years ago, there lived a very stones, but very poor Brahmana in Krishnanagar near Mayapur. I will make a little small 1 second. We can see whole picture. Yeah, okay. You can see.
I can't really see the whole picture.
Okay, you cannot see the whole picture.
Yeah.
Now better.
It's kind of the same for me. I don't know.
Okay. 300 years ago. This is a real story. Okay, Prabhupada's story. This Prabhupada was telling that story. 300 years ago, there lived a very stern but very poor Brahmana in Krishnanagar near Mayapur. There he was very poor, and the king. 1 second. I have to make it a little smaller. I have to get all the points. The king Raja Krishna Chandra heard of the learned Brahmana. He heard about him and he went to visit him on his palanquin. See? Dear Brahmana, can I help you in any way? You are staying in a very poor condition. I can send grain, cows, bulls, horses, gold coins, and servants. And Brahmana replied, no, I don't require any help from you. King was telling, but I can see that you are very, poverty stricken, I can see that you are poverty stricken. No, I am not poverty stricken, Brahmana is telling. My student baked some rice, which we boil and eat it. along with the leaves of this tamarind tree. I am fully satisfied in chanting the holy names of God. I do not need anything else. I have everything. Moral. It's a very small story, but he was very satisfied. One who knows Brahman. Brahman means Krishna, the absolute truth, is satisfied. Brahmabhuta Prasannatma. Who is in that stage, who already know Krishna, who realize Krishna, who are already in devotional practice, they are fully satisfied, even though it look like from the material point of view, or when we see that person, we may think, oh, that person is very poor or he is very ugly, but who practice devotional service with pure heart and a pure devotional service, they are always very satisfied. Okay, I want to share our regular prayers. That's why in this sloka Kunti Maharani is telling they are not actually poor. Okay. You can all repeat after me. Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchaya Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Nivrita Guna Vrattaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Atma Ramaya Santaya.
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 Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
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 One more time. Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Namo Kinchana Vittaya.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Atma Ramaya Santaya.
Atma Ramaya Santaya.
Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
Namo Kinchana Vittaye.
Namo Kinchana Vittaye.
Nivrita Guna Vrittaye.
Nivrita Gunavrittaye.
Atma Ramaya Santaya.
Atma Ramaya Santaya.
Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
Kaivalya Pataye Namaha. Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
Nama means all obeisances are to you. Akinchana vittaya to the property of the material. You want to try, Monish? Do you want to try this sloka? Anybody want to try?
Can Samskriti go?
Yes, Samskriti.
Namo kinchaya vittaya nivratta guna vrittaye
Atmaramaya Santaya
Atmaramaya Santaya Kavala
Go ahead. Pataye Namaha. We'll send the recording. You can practice.
Hare Krishna, can I say it? Ashutosh.
Yes, Ashutosh.
Krishna Chaitanya, can I
Namo Kanchana Avitaya Nirvrita Guna Vrittaye Atmaramaya Santaya Kaivalaya Pate Namaha. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Ashutosh.
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Yes, Akshita.
Namo kinchana vittaya nivrita gunavrittaye atma ramaya santaya kaivalya pataye nama. Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, can Advait go?
Mataji Sai. Mataji, can I go? Mataji Jagdish.
Yeah, otherwise Sai and Jagdish, okay?
Namo Kinchana Vittaya Nirvrita Guna Vrittaye Atmagamaya Santaya Kaivalya Pataye Namaha.
Next one, Sai.
Myself. Yes, Mataji. Nama kinchana vittaya nivrate gunavrittaye atmaramaya santaya kaivalya pate namaha.
Very nice. Jagadish, go ahead, Jagadish. Jagadish, do you want to do?
Namo kinchaya vittaya nirvita guna vittaya atmaya atmaya santaya kayera
Pataye Namaha. Thank you, Jagadish.
Thank you.
I think Prahlad raised the hand. Prahlad, go ahead. And Udit also.
Namo kinchana vittaya nivrita gunavrittaya atmaramaya shantaya kaivalya pataya namaha.
Thank you. Udit, go ahead, Udit.
Namo kinchana vittaya nirvrita gunavrittaye atma ramaya santaya kaivaya pataye namaha.
Okay, since Udit also knew, you all can repeat after me. We do whole sloka. In the beginning also we did, but we can do, this is very nice prayers. You can also practice at home. You can at least try to do Saturday, Sunday when you don't have homework, anything.
Okay.
You can do, we all can do too. You can repeat after me, okay? Whole sloka we'll do together. I'll open. Konte, I will do whole sloka. You can read a whole sloka, okay? Konteya vasa namaste purusam twadhyam niswaram prakite param alaksyam sarva bhutanam antarvahiravastitam.
Kaunteya vacha namaste purusham tvajam ishwaram prakrite param alaksham sarvabhutanam antarvahiravastitam.
Maya Jayagachin Maya Jandikachanam Adyayam Nalaksham Purushayam Sasaru Asana Munina Amalatmana Bhakti Yoga Vidadatta Patam Pashana Histaya Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Gopal Kumaraya Govinda Namo Namaha Nama Pankajaya Navaya Namaste Pankajaya Namini Haya Namaste Pankajaya Rishikesha Kalena Devaki Damsena Udati Sarasudapta Yamoti Pankajaya Vibo Vaya Natana Yuva Vibhadra Enough done.
I was waiting for
Nama kinchana vittaya nivrate guna vittaye Atmaramaya samaya kaivalya pate namaha.
You all are doing very nice. Good job. I want to one by one to read the translation. Who can Sanskrit, only translation. Okay, this time. Only translation. Okay. Who can Krishna? Yeah, Krishna, Sai, and Akshita. Yeah, Krishna, you can go first.
Can Sanskriti go?
Yes.
what is Krishna? If you don't like, I will not do. Please. Already?
Can you mute yourself?
You don't want to be here? Okay. So,
Mataji,
what did you say?
unmute. No.
I will.
Yeah, one by one, can you go ahead? I'm getting
In honor of this visit, whatever you want, I will do for you. Oh, King, you have been serving the pleasing sanctity of
Krishna, I offer my license. You are the original personality and unaffected by the qualities of the material world. You are existing both within and without everything, yet you are invisible to all.
Your brother with me. Then we reach the tournament of
one who is this? Akshita, go ahead, Akshita.
Yes. Being beyond the range of limited sense perception, you're the eternally imperceptible factor covered by the certain deluding energy. You are invisible to the foolish observer, exactly as an actor dressed as a player is not recognized. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Next, I think Sai want to go. Go ahead, Sai. You can raise the hand, okay? One by one. Not this one, next one. 1 second. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, Advait, you can go. Advait can read and Samskriti and Sai. Advait, do you want to read?
Mataji. Use your self-descent to propagate the transcendental science of devotional service unto the hearts of the advanced transcendentalists and mental speculators who are purified by being able to discriminate between matter and spirit. How then can we women know you perfectly?
Okay. I think Samskriti can go ahead now.
Let me therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto the Lord, who has become the son of Vasudeva, the pleasure of Devaki, the boy of Nanda, and the other cowherd men of Vrindavan, and the livener of the cows and the census.
Thank you. Sai, you want to go next?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, should I read the sloka and then tell the
No, you can just read the translation. We are going through the
translation? My respectful obeisances are unto you, O Lord, whose abdomen is marked with a depression like a lotus flower, who are always decorated with garlands of lotus flowers, whose glands is as cool as the lotus, and whose feet are engraved with lotuses.
Krishna, you can go, Krishna.
Okay, Machati. O Rishikesha, master of the senses and lords of lords, you have released your mother Devaki, who was long imprisoned and distressed by the envious King Kamsa, and me and my children from a series of constant dangers. Thank you.
Udit, do you want to go next?
Okay.
Yeah, you read before also same anyway. Somebody else, yeah, you already read. You can go ahead. That's fine.
My dear Krishna, your lordship has protected us from a poisoned cake, from a great fire, from cannibals, from the vicious assembly, from sufferings, during our exile in the forest, and from the battle where great generals fought, and now you have saved us from the weapon of Avastama.
Thank you, Udit. I think everybody got chance. Anybody want to try? Rishikesh, I think he.
Monish.
Yeah, Monish, go ahead.
I wish that all those comets would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated births and deaths. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you.
Mataji, can I go?
Yes, yes, go ahead, Jagdish.
Okay. I wish that all those calamities would happen again and again, so that we could see you again and again. For seeing you means that we will no longer see repeated birth and death.
Thank you. Prahlad? I think Prahlad can do next sloka and then we finished, okay?
My obeisances are unto you, who are the property of the material impoverished. You have nothing to do with the actions and reactions of the material modes of nature. You are the self-satisfied, and therefore you are the most gentle and are the master of the monists.
Thank you so much. Thank you all the kids. So we finished almost all the 10 verses. You can practice from next week. We will do from the 11th one. And then we will repeat this sloka. You can practice this sloka at home and then we can recite once a week or like that, okay? You all did very nice, good job. Thank you, kids. Now we can pay our obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees. Panchakalpa Turvesha Kripa Sindhu Pita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnavrinda ki jai. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare
Mataji, I have a question.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yes, yes, Mataji.
This is Udit's mom. Where can I find all these slokas and this one for Udit to practice?
Mataji, Udit is in our group, regular group, Mataji. I can add him. He's 14 years. Yes, Mataji. Can you give your number, Mataji? I can add.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yeah, we are in the Madhava group. Yeah, we are in the Madhava group.
Madhava, this, okay. Okay, yeah, can I send, I don't know you. I cannot send you separately otherwise. Can you give your number, Mataji? I will save myself and then.
Okay. My number is 201
Okay, 201
920
920
3009.
3009. Okay, Mataji. I will send you separately, Mataji. We'll share Mataji every week after the class. We share the
Which group, Mataji? Which group is that?
Madhava group only we share. Every group will share Mataji this book. But after the class, maybe he missed before classes. Because of that, he didn't. Maybe you didn't check that time.
Okay, is that a YouTube video or what is that?
No, it's not with YouTube videos, Mataji. Every slokas that recording will come, Mataji. Sloka and recording. I will send you all the recording on the sloka, Mataji, in you in your WhatsApp.
Oh, okay, fine. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, all the devotees.